How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing a product that could change the way you or a loved one experiences the world. The ELEHEAR Beyond Pro OTC hearing aids, bringing you next-gen clarity at no prescription needed. Let's check it out. So these are FDA-registered OTC hearing aids, built for adults with perceived or mild to moderate hearing loss. They are app-controlled, rechargeable, Bluetooth capable, and use advanced AI noise processing, all while staying discreet and comfortable. Included in the box is your charging case with your hearing aids located on the inside. Then you have some paperwork you can check out before using them. Underneath that, you have your USB charging cable. That is a USB to USB-C. Then you also get a pack of different size earbuds. This allows you to pick out the most comfortable ones to fit your ears, as well as some with a couple of extra features for like music. We also got a pack of assorted cleaning tools. These will help you keep your hearing aids in tip-top shape for that extra cleanness and longevity. And last, when the product was shipped to us, it also came with this handy tote bag. So with the VOC Clear 2.0 technology, the ELEHEAR's latest innovation improves speech by clarity by up to 30%, helping voices cut through the background noise effortlessly, along with smart app control, where you can adjust the volume, fine-tune different modes, and check your battery life, all from your phone. And the app has been fully upgraded, so update before your first use. And these not only work as hearing aids, but you can use them as Bluetooth streaming earbuds as well. You can listen to calls, podcasts, and music directly through your hearing aids. The advanced AI also helps with auto noise detection and adaptive feedback cancellation, where it will isolate voices and minimize screechy feedback noises. Plus, with the battery case, you are rechargeable for a longer lasting usage. One charge lasts up to 20 hours. Then when the battery is low, you can put them in your portable carrying case that offers multiple recharges on the go. And the design is definitely discreet, nearly invisible behind the ear, lightweight, and available in neutral colors. And of course, all of this is no doctor needed. These are fully over-the-counter, FDA compliant, and ready to use out of the box. With the app, it offers 5 custom modes, so you can tailor in the sound profile based on your environment. The Bluetooth connection is completely stable, and the adjustments work instant. And if you're ever in them sticky situations where you need some translation, these are the world first hearing aid with real-time translation, so you can talk freely and understand instantly.
Good afternoon, Manuel. I want to go to the San Miguel Hotel.
And for those times that you just want to escape the surroundings, then the tinnitus masking mode is perfect for you. With 22 different sounds to help relieve tinnitus, from rain, breezy, vinyl cracking, ambient tones, you can create your own sound playlist. Pick and mix the tones that suit your ears and mood. This way it will fit your flow for your work, commute, meditation, deep focus, or just winding down. So if you've ever been holding off on upgrading your hearing or helping a loved one find a tech-forward solution, the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro is a fantastic option. Clear sound, customizable settings, and streaming, all without the appointment. So if you're interested in taking a closer look, we have all of our links and details located in the description, as well as hit that like button if you found this review helpful. And of course, if you have enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when new content is released. That's going to be it for this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.